we get a lot of people who come into the comments section and ask for larger definitions. They ask for larger explanations of things. They're asking for big chunks of advice in the comment section. Number one, I'm not the guy answering the comments probably 65% of the time. I'm not the guy, okay? I got a buddy of mine who comes in and just makes sure that people are answered. And usually, 9 times out of 10, the answer to a question or the answer to a comment is super basic. My instructions are like, just make sure it's a touch and go. So it's like, hey, thanks, or you're right, or 100%, or bingo, or something like that. I mean, I literally wrote an email with a bunch of like canned responses. Okay. Very rarely is it me. Oftentimes I'll put my initial at the end of it, like, just a K, so that they know they're talking to me. Okay. But all that is to be said is usually when someone comes in with a really in-depth question, if they're not given the response of email Kevin here at info@watercraftjournal.com, it's usually, we did a video on this, use the search bar and check out the video. All right. And I know I've said this before in previous videos and previous live sessions that we've done the work. All right. I've put the time in. It doesn't take much to go to the little magnifying glass search bar and type in Sea-Doo catch can, wear ring, impeller pitch, sponsons, deep V hull, any one of these things, and they'll pop up. We got literally hundreds of videos. So guys, if you get a really in-depth question, chances are the answer you get in the comment section is going to piss you off. And we're not trying to piss you off. We're not trying to piss you off. I mean, don't get me wrong. I come in with smart ass answers and Cody comes in with smart ass answers because it's the comment section on YouTube. And a lot of people get all twisted up and they get upset. Fine. It's the comment section on YouTube. Guys, if you have a longer question that's kind of burning a hole, make sure to email me directly. And that email address is info@watercraftjournal.com. And if you haven't already, go to the search bar function and type in some keywords. For those of you who are new, for those of you who are watching this at a later time, if you have a question that's really, really hot and really burning, go over to info@watercraftjournal.com and email me directly. I'm not in the comment section. I have better things to do. I got 3 kids. I run 2 YouTube channels. I run 2 magazines. I'm too damn busy. So I'm not the one answering most of the questions and pissing most people off. All right? Just understand that. So, again, the comment section in YouTube just ain't the place to get your question answered. Email me directly if it's really something that is like, oh my gosh, this is a big deal. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.